Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking prerequisites: hardware, OS image, and network. Install a minimal server distribution now. This reduces attack surface and saves time. Once done, assign a static IP and update all packages so you have the latest patches. Create an administrative user and enable sudo. Do not use root for daily work. Make sure to set a secure password and optionally add an SSH key. These actions get you to a hardened baseline ready for service installation. Next, install the core services your server needs. You should add OpenSSH for remote access, then choose Docker or native packages for your app. Docker simplifies dependencies. Configure the firewall to permit only essential ports, 22, 80, 443, and deny everything else by default. Obtain TLS certificates and configure automatic renewal so secure connections remain valid. Once services are running, verify endpoints with curl and review logs. This confirms both function and security before you deploy production traffic. Finally, deploy your application using a repeatable method, CI/CD pipeline or Docker Compose, so you can reproduce the environment. Once deployed, harden the server. Enable automatic security updates, install fail2ban, and require SSH key authentication. Monitor resource usage and set alerts for CPU, memory, and disk. If something fails, start troubleshooting by checking journal logs and service status. Then inspect open ports for conflicts and restart the failing service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.